Look, everyone who's been around the block knows the traditional finance world is a mess. It's slow, it's closed off, and it's full of people who care more about their next bonus than actually making a difference. Founders slam into brick walls every day, trying to raise money not just to grow, but to do something that actually matters. Investors get stuck chasing returns that don't change anything real in the world. You feel it, right? The frustration of trying to play a game rigged for the usual suspects, where everything's opaque and often straight up rigged to protect old money and old ideas. That sucks. It's exhausting. And guess what? It's not your failure. It's the system failing you. Now here's the deal nobody's telling you. Ethical venture capital isn't just a nice-sounding buzzword. It's a freaking revolution coming to crush the old guard. But only if you actually understand how to move inside it and use it, not just talk about it. This isn't your average impact investing fluff about feeling good or greenwashing your image. It's about real money, real power, and actually changing how the game is played. First, stop looking at impact investing as a charity thing. It's not. It's the most ruthless, smartest way to multiply your influence and your returns by backing ventures that solve real problems. Problems the old finance world doesn't want to fix because they profit from them staying broken. What do? You dig deep into teams who are obsessed with solving massive systemic issues: climate, inequality, health. But here's the catch. Obsession isn't enough. It has to be paired with killer execution, scalable business models, and airtight financial discipline. Don't throw money at promises. Hunt for founders who treat impact like revenue, because if they don't, it's not going to stick or move fast. Second, build your own signal, your own network of people who get this game. Traditional VC networks are closed, gated, and toxic. You need to find or create a tribe that's not about ego, status, or empty hustle culture, where people actually combine insight, capital, and guts. Real disruption happens when you stop chasing everyone's approval, stop playing small, and start connecting with those who move fast, break stuff, and hold impact as a non-negotiable. Push yourself to attend summits, private groups, masterminds, whatever it takes, but not for the show. For the resources and ruthless feedback. Because ethical VC demands you level up your whole operation, not just your portfolio. Third, measure everything differently, but with the same brutal honesty you use to check your finances. Impact metrics are often a joke because people want to look good, not get real. Tear down all the fake screens and demand numbers that prove change. Not only how many trees planted, but how those trees change livelihoods, how those new jobs raise economic tails. Get creative. Look beyond usual KPIs. Social audits, third-party verified impact reports, even data from unexpected partners on the ground. You want true proof that your capital moves the needle? Be the harshest critic of your own investment's hype. If you're not shaking up how impact is measured, you're just helping the system keep its status quo. Finally, don't wait for the traditional system to fix itself. It won't. You've got to be the one breaking it from the inside out. Use ethical venture capital not as a hobby or a side project, but as a weapon to rewrite what finance means. Demand transparency, fight greenwashing, vote with your dollars on companies that show true accountability. Find the founders who don't just want to raise dollars, but want to rewrite the rules of capitalism itself. That's your network, your tribe, your future. This is hard. It'll piss people off. It will burn your energy. But if you've been stuck in the no man's land of traditional investing, dreaming about that world where finance empowers real change, this is your shot. Start acting like it. Back founders who don't just talk change, but build it. Be an investor who doesn't just want returns, but wants a future worth living in. And most importantly, refuse to settle for the system that has kept you boxed in for so long. The old finance world is on its last legs. Ethical venture capital is ready to disrupt it, if you are ready to stop playing safe and start playing to win the real fight. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.